Hi guys, this is Ava with Hardwood Floor Restore. I'm usually answering the phone or on the other side of the camera, but today I wanted to talk to you guys about a project that we're about to begin. So about a week ago, I got a call from this client and he said, guys, I really need your help. My floors are looking cloudy, they've got scuff marks, scratches. I really need your help, hazy. So lo and behold, Daniel goes out there and he's got acrylic wax on the floor. Now, wax is a big problem. So basically what happens with wax is that people take a look at their floor and they're like, man, I really want these to shine. So they go out to the store and they pick up a product naturally that says clean and shine. So the problem with these products are that most of them contain wax. Now, the issue with wax is that it's extremely sticky. So they apply the first coat and it may look great, be shiny. But again, because it's so sticky, after the animals walk on the floor, after the kids walk on the floor, people spill things in the kitchen, it embeds itself into the wax. It just holds on to it. It clings in there. So again, you're looking at it, man, this doesn't look really good anymore. Maybe I should do what I did at first when I applied it and it looked great, so I'll put another coat. When you do that, all you're doing is locking that the soil in the original coat of wax down. And then guess what happens? That coat gets dirty, it doesn't look good again, people apply another coat, so you got layer and layer and layer of dirty, soiled wax. So all we can do at that point is remove it. And it takes a professional company to do that. Here at Hardwood Floor Restore, we perform that service a lot and we can get really great results. So we're really excited today to show you the process. you.